Yeah, no, yeah, but what's the that like slash command you gotta put in to reset your keys or something?
Slash RO.
Yeah, yeah, that was
Hey
it.
man, somebody's talking shit, bro. Hey, Strawberry Gas.
Someone talking shit to Strawberry?
Yeah, man.
Who the fuck is it?
Hey man, I don't know. Follow me.
Oh, damn.
But
Alright, some kind of just talking shit at Strawberry Gas. Nah, it's all good. He ran off anyway. I'm going to get put over by the cops, I think. Because I was shooting at that nigga.
where you at?
I'm just chilling on Legion right now.
The fuck's this Tyrone con, bro, talking shit to
Hey, mate.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro, hey, come to the bank over here, man. Follow me.
The fuck are you doing, dickhead? Which way you going?
I mean,